guys. Welcome to part 5. Third lens. Guys, it's part 5. We're cruising out to shoot. Except for 1 hour, right? Then except for 1 hour. Guys, it's turbulence. Guys, we have turbulence right now. Literally, we're out of the Philippines. But the plane.
Ano?
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it. Yes, it's part 5 right now. I'm not going to see how. Part 5. I'm literally gonna go right now. I'm literally so scared. Part 5. Hi, Mom.
Tsaka saan mo? The vlog na cannot hear you.
Hello. Literally right now.